Well, welcome, ladies and gentlemen. It's 2017 Celebrity Challenge, and it's happening right here in Albury Wodonga at QE2 Square, which is in Albury. Now, we are in front of the theatre, and it's a lovely, lovely day, and there's going to be lots of activity because today the Solar Car Challenge is a magnificent event. It's a bridge program from industry to youth. The young adults can learn want a little bit more about industry, and they're mentored through a mentor program, and through that they actually build a solar car, which is a small remote control car, and they race it today. So today really is a celebration of all the hard work they've done over the weeks.